Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use points on AliExpress. AliExpress points are similar to coins and they can help you to save some money on purchases. First, let's learn how to collect your points. Go to your account and find a section that says coins, that basically looks like coin icon. And here you can check in daily and get some coins for it. So yesterday, as you can see, I've got my 20 points. Today I will get my 30 points, and every single day the number of coins will even increase. Also, to earn some coins you need to play some games, or you can, let me collect it, and when you checked in, you have to press earn more coins button, and here you can see this dashboard where you can see tasks that you can complete in order to earn some more coins. Yes, and basically your points will accumulate in your account and can be used during checkout. So let me show you how to use them at your checkout. I'm going to cart, and yes, I forgot to mention it. You have to check whether your item that you want to order supports this type of discounts using your coins. So let's open item and check. You need to scroll a little bit down, and if you see here this line that says extra % off with coins, then yes, you can use your coins for this item. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. And you need to scroll down to section that says summary, and here you see line saved, and this is basically your discount that you've got from your coins. So as you can see, AliExpress automatically deducted 5 coins from my balance, and that gave me this little discount. Unfortunately, you cannot decide on your own how many points exactly you want to spend on your item, because as I said earlier, AliExpress deducts them automatically. Yes, and basically that's how you can use your points on AliExpress, and also coins cover just part of your total value that you have to pay, and the rest of the total you have to pay with another payment method, for example your card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.